Flexibility meets precision. The PÖTTINGER FLEXCARE row crop cultivator makes crop care easy thanks to its precise depth control and a wide range of weeding tools. Ultimately, the FlexCare offers full flexibility and application-specific customization for deployment in a variety of crops, and is the perfect combination of precision, crop care and efficient weed control. PÖTTINGER crop care machines are the perfect partners for sustainable and resource-conserving farming. High outputs are achieved thanks to short changeover times because the machine is so easy to set up. Independently of varying row spacings, different soil conditions and stages of crop development, the row crop cultivator can be adjusted to any site-specific conditions in a matter of minutes. The most important settings can all be carried out in the field without the need for tools. The FlexCare row crop cultivator can handle row widths between 25 and 160 centimeters. The basic version of the FlexCare is already fully equipped for inter-row work. Fully equipped with plant protection discs, following tools and camera guidance, the FlexCare row crop cultivator delivers impressive precision and intra-row weeding ability. Having its center of gravity close to the tractor is another reason FlexCare guarantees precision row guidance. Thanks to a choice of different lower linkage and top link positions, the FlexCare matches a wide range of tractor geometries. The FlexCare row crop cultivator has been engineered to deliver maximum precision, weeding between plants and hoeing the soil. In order to maintain the set working depth, even on uneven terrain and in varying soil conditions, the hoe elements are mounted on a parallel linkage. This ensures constant adaptation to the ground contours and a uniform working depth. The integrated hydraulic shift frame compensates for inaccurate tracking. The shift frame is controlled either by a double-acting spool valve or by camera. A 2D camera system is available as an option for the FlexCare row crop cultivator to keep the hoe elements precisely in line. In conjunction with the electro-hydraulic shift frame, the rows are detected by a 2D camera and the plant detection software to optimally align the row crop cultivator. The hoe elements lift automatically at the headland to reduce overlaps and sections being weeded multiple times. There are two control options for this. Using the central lifting system, hydraulically actuates all hoe elements together from a single acting spool valve. This means that all hoe tools are raised and lowered at the same time. Using the individual lifting system, which is available as an option, each hoe element can be electro-hydraulically lifted and lowered on its own, powered by the tractor's double-acting hydraulics circuit. There is a choice of two different control terminals for operating the individual lifting system, Basic Line Pre-Select System or the Profiline Comfort Control System. With the FlexCare row crop cultivator, there is no need for time-consuming measurement and alignment of the weeding tools. A preset hole matrix and indicator scales on each component make it easy to set up all the tools identically. Equipped with the latest technology, the FlexCare row crop cultivator guarantees convenient operation. This not only saves time, but also saves resources and protects the plants.
More success with PÖTTINGER.